Imagine you're just starting your investment journey. You've heard about Stash, this app that makes investing easy and accessible. But is it really a broker account? Or is it something else entirely? Let's dive into the world of investing and explore what exactly a broker account is. A broker is essentially an intermediary between you and the financial markets. They facilitate buying and selling of securities like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Think of them as your financial matchmaker, connecting you with investment opportunities. Now, back to Stash. While it does provide a platform for investing, it's not a traditional broker account in the same sense as a firm like Charles Schwab or Fidelity. Key differences. Here are some key differences between Stash and a traditional broker account. Investment options. Stash offers a more limited selection of investments, primarily focusing on ETFs. These ETFs are curated into pre-built portfolios based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. While this simplicity can be appealing to beginners, it might limit your ability to customize your investments as much as you could with a traditional broker. Fees. Stash has a tiered fee structure. While the basic plan is free, you'll incur fees for additional features like fractional shares and unlimited ETFs. In contrast, many traditional brokers offer commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs. Account types. Stash primarily caters to individual investors with a focus on long-term investing. Traditional brokers offer a wider range of account types, including retirement accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s, as well as taxable brokerage accounts. Level of control. With a traditional broker, you have more control over your investments. You can buy and sell individual stocks and bonds, research companies, and make your own investment decisions. Stash takes a more hands-off approach, managing your investments based on your chosen portfolio. Is Stash a good choice? So, is Stash a good choice for you? It depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a beginner investor looking for a simple and affordable way to start investing, Stash could be a great option. Its pre-built portfolios and easy-to-use interface can make investing less intimidating. However, if you're seeking more control over your investments and a wider range of investment options, a traditional broker might be a better fit. They offer more flexibility and customization, but they also require more knowledge and research. In conclusion, Stash is not a traditional broker account. It's a unique platform that offers a simplified approach to investing. Whether it's the right choice for you depends on your individual circumstances. Consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and desired level of control when making your decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.